Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make creamy white radish soup in Heartopia. So the creamy white radish soup is one of the best recipes in Heartopia to boost your satiety and give you a warm bath for those chilly nights in the glacial cove. And in here I'm going to show you the farm to table process for this 5-star dish. So let me show you the recipe first, and this is the recipe for the soup. So you need milk, butter, and also radish. So if you don't have the radish yet, you need to start growing them in your home. Okay, so once you have all the materials, here you just need to find Masimo and start cooking here in his stove. Click on the creamy white radish soup recipe, and now just click on start cooking. Okay, don't forget to adjust the heat level. If you see the warning, just click on it so that it doesn't burn. So just repeat the steps if you have the warning like this. So when the stove heat is not stable, you just need to click on it like this, and your soups will be done. Just click on it, and this is the creamy white radish soup. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.